In this video, let's go ahead and look at question 4 of a feedback homework. The answers were posted in my class, so I wanted to go over how we solve this kind of problem. So it's number 4. A system with input R and output Y is described by the following differential equation. 2y double dot plus 4y dot plus 4y equals 4 times R of t, where R of t is 1 for t greater than 0. So that's the same thing as saying that R of t equals U of t. So we throw in U of t here. And then we want to find the solution of Y of t given Y of 0 is 1 and Y dot of 0 is 0. So the first thing we do is transform everything into the Laplace domain. The easiest part is the right hand of the equation, 4 U of t. That into the Laplace domain is 4 over s. Okay, so we know everything's going to be equal to 4 over s on the right hand side. And we get 2 multiplied by s squared y of s minus s times f of 0 minus f prime of 0 plus 4 times s times y of s minus f of 0 plus 4 times y of s. So f dot of 0 is 0, so this goes to 0. F of 0 is 1, so this goes to 1, and this goes to 1. We get 2s squared y of s minus 2s plus 4s y of s plus 4, or sorry, minus 4 plus 4y of s is equal to 4 over s. And then if we add 2s and 4 to both sides, we get 2s squared y of s plus 4s y of s plus 4y of s is all equal to 4 over s plus 2s plus 4. And then if we get a common denominator over here, multiplying these two by s, we get 4 plus 2s squared plus 4s over s is equal to, and then over on this side, let's go ahead and factor y of s out. Y of s multiplied by 2s squared plus 4s plus 4. These two things are equal to each other. And then if we just go ahead and divide by 2s squared plus 4s plus 4 on both sides, we get y of s equals this fraction divided by this. And we notice that this term here is the same as this term here. So these will cancel and we're left with y of s equals 1 over s. And taking that into the time domain, we do the Laplace inverse. And the Laplace inverse of 1 over s is u of t. So y of t equals u of t. So what does that mean for our answer? That means if we had an input r, our output y would be defined by the unit step function. So it's going to look like this. That's going to go on forever. It's going to go up to 1 at this time. And this is kind of interesting because what happens is the system is given an input r of t, which is u of t. So the input to the system is the same as the output to the system. Cool.